Hello, I'm Jordan. This is my Module 12 reflection video over interactive technology. My experiences with interactive technologies: when I was in lower elementary school, we used the dry erase overhead projectors, and I remember having those all the way up until like 6th grade when we slowly introduced the interactive whiteboard into classrooms. And then by the time I graduated high school in 2018, almost every teacher had one in their classroom. I'm also familiar with the projectors that like hang on the ceiling and you connect your computer to them and cast onto the whiteboard as well. Which rendition of the interactive whiteboard in remote would you choose and why? So I chose for the remote, the iClicker Plus. It's a simpler version of the iClicker 2, and it's cheaper, so you can get more for your classroom for a lower cost. And then for the interactive whiteboard, I chose the Promethean, which is, out of both of the Promethean and the Vibe Collaboration Smart Whiteboard, I'm more familiar with that one. But the nice thing about the Vibe Collaboration Smartboard is it seems to be portable, so I can move it around the room and set it up in different spots that work best for my classroom. And then if I could choose just one for my future classroom, I would choose the interactive whiteboard, just because I'm so familiar with them and I think they're great. It's basically like a large iPad, and there's so many things you can do on it, so many games, so many different apps that you can use to teach, and I would choose the interactive whiteboard. Next, what were your thoughts about clickers in the classroom? If I remember correctly, I believe in 6th grade I did use, my teacher had like the old school clickers that you like hooked up with a cord and you like buzzed in almost your answer. But I think they would be great for like a group test or whatever, if you didn't want to use paper. And instructors pose a multiple choice yes or no or similar question, either verbally with a short answer question or through the screen. So each student can just push A, B, C, or D to submit their answer, and it automatically gets sent to the teacher, which I think that is pretty cool. And then students are more likely to participate, be on the front row. So the T-zone is the most important in a classroom, and outside of the T-zone you're less likely, research shows I guess, that you're less likely to pay attention. So the participation with clickers would broaden that T-zone. And do the research make a prediction? Share your predictions based on your research. And I believe that concludes my discussion post. I will also be posting my classroom shopping list for my $1,500 budget with this video.